What's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We are talking laundry centers, and we have a GE electric version. And in the event that your laundry center washing machine is not spinning, we're going to show you the most common cause. Let's take a look. DIYers making our way to our laundry center, and it is a GE model electric version as opposed to the gas version. And yes, it's in the center of the room. And we're rebuilding this one. We just took delivery of a brand new one. It's inside there. However, we are going to remove this panel so we can gain access to the inner portion of the washing machine and again show you the common cause of why your washer is not spinning. And check that tool out. Down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase that, and you will see that tool in action here very shortly. That's what I actually used to remove this front panel, and it works perfectly. Camera down position, and again, DIYers, we need to carefully and safely remove this entire front panel, and in between this little seam here are two little tension lock clips, and you can actually come eye level and see a little indent on the top panel here, or recessed lip that feeds down. And grabbing this tool right here, all I'm going to do is align it with those little tabs, and again, you got one on each side, and just align it and carefully tap it. And this side, you see it pop out. I'll do the same over here. And from here, I will set the tool down, and on the very bottom side, as you allow the weight of the panel to shift down, carefully pull up and remove the front panel from the two lower tabs or hooks. Take a step back and up, and check this out, DIYers. Removing that panel gives us much better access to the entire inner portion of the washing machine, and you can see the entire washer bowl, hoses, etc. And bottom left corner here is our drain pump and additional hoses and drain hose. And in the event that your washing machine is not draining properly, well, chances are you have a malfunction drain pump. Scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comment and description, will be a link on how to properly replace that. However, coming inside here, there is the washer motor. And coming on the left side, you see a belt that feeds off the motor pulley. And inside here, and DIYers, that's the very first thing you need to check after removing this front panel. Check to see if your washer belt is not snapped or still intact or installed and in one piece. And long story short, in the event that that belt is snapped, well, chances are that is very likely your cause. Again, here's the belt right there. And so in the event that it is snapped, it needs to be replaced. And down below in the comments and description will be a link on how to properly and safely replace that belt. Let's come into the right side and show you a better view on this side. As you see, again, there is the belt. Coming up and out, and let's go back inside to the left. And again, your entire washer motor may have malfunction, and that will be a whole separate project, and there is some electrical connection points that feed in, and you will need to carefully replace your washer motor. However, that is very unlikely of a common cause compared to the belt. The belt is the most common cause, and 9 times out of 10, it is a snap belt as opposed to a failed motor. So that's good news, because the motor is like 5 times more expensive than the belt itself. Down below in the comments and description will be replacement belt as well as the motor, just so you can see. Take a step back, and DIYers, at this point I have resecured the front panel, and down below in the comments and description, again, several helpful video links on replacing water hoses, drain hose, dryer duct or hose, washer water inlet valve. In the event that your water is flowing into the washer at a slow rate, chances are it's a faulty or clogged valve. In addition, we will have a link down below on how to properly prepare your laundry center for pickup, because there are specific guidelines. And we will have a link on a drain pan, we love that, as well as a link to a video replacing the dryer chute that actually goes through the wall and to the exterior portion of your home, and more. Replacing power cords and all. Again, we hope this helps. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.